Imagine this. You're at your desk, fingers hovering over the keyboard, ready to tackle that next big project. You think about the lines of code waiting to be written. You've got deadlines looming, the pressure is on, and then, pop, an AI agent chimes in. Hey, I can code that for you, just tell me what you need. Sounds like sci-fi, right? But it's happening now. This isn't a distant future. This is your reality. AI tools aren't just supporting your workflow, they're revolutionizing it. Think about it, an intelligent agent that understands your requirements and translates them into clean, efficient code. Why is this a game changer? Because coding is no longer a one-person job. You're not just a coder anymore, you're a collaborator. With AI by your side, you can tap into a wellspring of creativity, speeding up development cycles and breaking through mental blocks. Imagine the possibilities. You're no longer stuck in the weeds, you're scaling projects faster than ever. But here's where it gets wild. As these AI agents gain more sophistication, the lines blur between what you create and what they generate. Are you still the builder? Or has the AI become the true architect of this digital landscape? This changes everything about coding. Yes, the stakes are high, but it raises a critical question. Can your creativity keep up with the pace of AI innovation? Or will you find yourself left behind in this new era of programming? NVIDIA just dropped a bombshell. RTX Spark isn't just another graphics upgrade. This is a paradigm shift. Picture this, AI integrated into every single task you do on your PC. Sounds futuristic? It's here now. You're coding your next big app. You hit a roadblock, but instead of hours of frustration, you call on RTX Spark. It analyzes your code in real time. It suggests improvements. It even anticipates bugs before they manifest. Suddenly, you're not just coding. You're collaborating with an AI partner that's working at lightning speed. What does this mean for you? Efficiency skyrockets. Where you once spent days refining a feature, you're now looking at hours, if that. In a world where time is money, NVIDIA's tech could save you both. But it's not just about speed, it's about creativity. Your creative process gets a turbocharge. You can experiment more, take risks, and push boundaries without the fear of getting stuck in the weeds. But here's the kicker. As AI gets deeper into our workflows, will we still own our code? Are we creating, or are we just directing our AI tools? That's a debate brewing in the dev community right now. Are you ready to navigate this new landscape? Because the dawn of AI-enhanced coding is here, and it's transforming how we build. What will you create when your biggest challenge is no longer the code itself, but the endless possibilities that come with it? W4. What if you could simulate an entire world? Imagine this. You're sitting in your workspace, coding away, and suddenly an idea strikes you. You want to build not just an app, but a universe, a place where your concepts can breathe and evolve. Thanks to the latest AI agents, that's now not just a dream, it's your new reality. Recent explorations into AI models show their potential to create fully immersive environments. We're talking about AI that doesn't just assist in coding, but actively participates in building entire ecosystems. These aren't just static simulations, they're dynamic worlds that react, adapt, and evolve based on your inputs. Think about it, no more limitations of traditional coding. You're no longer confined to lines of code that merely replicate function. Instead, you're crafting a living, breathing entity. Imagine testing your ideas in these worlds, iterating on them in real time. The feedback loop, instantaneous. The implications, monumental. And here's a staggering detail. These AI agents are capable of simulating complex interactions and outcomes, allowing you to experiment like never before. You can tweak a single variable and watch how it dismantles or enhances the entire system. It's like being a god of your own creation, but with great power comes a learning curve. What happens when you push these boundaries too far? What limitations will surface? Can you trust the AI to handle the chaos of creativity? As you dive deeper, the stakes get higher. Are you ready to embrace this revolution and take your creations to new heights? Vocabulary, immersive, ecosystems, feedback loop, revolution. Let's talk efficiency. You've heard the buzz. AI tools are slashing development time like a hot knife through butter. Builders are reporting massive jumps in productivity. We're talking about days of work getting crunched into mere hours. Just imagine, your code, generated in real time, adjusted on the fly. The potential is staggering, right? But here's the twist. Are we sacrificing creativity on the altar of speed? Are we pushing for faster results at the cost of innovative thinking? When you're seated at your workstation, watching AI churn out lines of code, it feels like magic. But what does it mean for the future of creation? There's a fine line between efficiency and uniformity. Think about it. If AI is doing the heavy lifting, are we becoming mere operators of a system? Or are we still the architects of our creations? As NVIDIA's RTX Spark transforms our everyday computing into a playground for personal AI, it raises an important question. Are we really enhancing our creative capabilities, or are we just getting comfortable with what AI delivers? You might be lured into thinking speed equals progress. But as these AI agents simulate entire worlds, can they truly replicate the spark of human ingenuity? What happens when the thrill of creation is replaced by the convenience of automation? Are we crafting masterpieces or just following a template? This efficiency revolution is a double-edged sword. It's enticing, but it demands vigilance. Are you ready to navigate this new landscape where time saved could mean creativity lost? Fingers flying across the keyboard as AI tools take over grunt work. Efficiency skyrockets. You're churning out features in record time. But hold on, what's lurking in the shadows? As an AI algorithms streamline the coding process, a nagging question creeps in. Is something vital slipping away? The artistry, the passion, those late-night coding sessions fueled by caffeine and creativity, where every line was a stroke of genius. Now, it feels like you're just a conductor, orchestrating an AI symphony. A recent exploration into AI's world-simulating capabilities shows just how powerful these models have become. They can create entire ecosystems, but at what cost? When AI does the heavy lifting, does it rob you of the satisfaction of building something from scratch? The struggle, the triumph, those raw human emotions that fuel innovation? Listen to this stark reality. As NVIDIA's RTX Spark reinvents personal computing, it's not just about making you faster. It's about shifting the very essence of what it means to create. You're not just a coder anymore. You're an overseer of AI. But what happens when the lines blur? When coding becomes a task of mere clicks and commands? Are you ready to embrace the consequences of this new reality? Are you prepared to let go of the nuances, the imperfections that make coding a form of art? This isn't just about productivity. It's about preserving what makes us human in a world where AI can do almost everything. So ask yourself, how do you keep the heart in your code? Imagine this. You're sitting at your desk, fingers hovering above the keyboard. The world has shifted. AI isn't just a tool, it's your creative partner. You've seen the headlines, AI models simulating entire worlds, like real-life video game engines, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. These aren't just simulations, they're a glimpse into the future of coding, where you can build vast universes with unprecedented ease. But here's the twist. It's not just about creating, it's about transforming. NVIDIA's RTX Spark is redefining personal computing. Picture a world where your Windows PC isn't just a machine, it's an AI-enhanced powerhouse that anticipates your needs, streamlining your workflow like never before. Every line of code, every design choice becomes an extension of your imagination, fueled by AI insights. And don't overlook the robotics revolution. Unitree's latest AI-driven choreography proves that machines can learn, adapt, and even inspire. Just think, what if your next project could harness that same level of intelligence? What if your code could evolve, react, and learn in real time? The landscape is changing, and you're at the helm. The tools are here, the frameworks are advancing, but it's up to you to seize the moment. Are you ready to harness this power? Are you prepared to push the boundaries of what you thought was possible? This isn't just a chance to adapt, it's a call to lead. Keep your eyes peeled, stay ahead of the revolution, because the future is yours to shape. If you want to stay plugged into this wave of innovation, you know what to do.